Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Mix Wondrous Physick. This incredible item is a customizable flask that grants powerful, temporary buffs. You can combine two different crystal tiers to create a unique concoction. It's a single-use item that recharges when you rest at a site of grace or after death, making it a crucial tool for any journey. Understanding its mechanics will greatly enhance your gameplay. To begin, you'll first need to acquire the flask of Wondrous Physick itself, which is found at the Third Church of America. Once you have it, simply rest at any site of grace. From the menu, choose the Mix Wondrous Physick option. Here, you can easily select and combine any two crystal tiers you possess, instantly updating your flask's unique properties for your next use. Crystal tiers are the magical ingredients that power your physick. These unique items are scattered throughout the world, often found at the bases of minor Erd trees. Each tier offers a distinct effect, such as restoring 50% of your health, boosting your maximum stamina for 3 minutes, or increasing your strength. Collecting more tiers unlocks a vast array of combinations, allowing you to tailor your flask to any challenge. The Flask of Wondrous Physick is a powerful, single-use item that recharges upon resting at a site of grace or after death. To maximize its potential, consider your current challenges. For instance, combine a tier that restores 50% of your health with one that boosts your attack power for a tough boss. Remember, most of its beneficial effects will stack with other buffs, providing even greater advantages in combat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.